What's up, guys? It's been a while since I made a YouTube video. I just wanted an update about what's going on. I bought a new daily, so let's check it out real quick. Outback 3.6R, which is a 3.6 liter motor. That's the reason why I wanted this car, because I wanted the 3.6 H6. So as you guys can see, I already lowered the car with BC Racing coilovers. I also upgraded the wheels to some 18x85, I believe. I'm not sure how you pronounce that name. Aodhon, I don't know. I'm gonna leave the description of the wheel down below so you guys can get an idea of what it is. But yeah, I also got the windows tinted 20% up front, and then I got the window visor, or sorry, windshield banner. Give it a nice cool look. I also started plasti dipping the chrome, which I do not recommend, guys. They make a kit now, a wrap kit for this chrome piece that you can buy on Amazon or eBay. I would recommend getting that instead. But yeah, so let's look at what we're gonna be upgrading today. Window visors. Very simple and easy. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like already on the driver's side. So let's do this side real quick. Like I said, I already plasti dipped the trim. I'm going to have to take this one off, remove this one real quick, and then clean it. I'm just going to use soap and water to clean the trim, and then I'll show you guys how to put it on. Alright, honestly guys, I'm not sure why they have this spray on foam piece on here, so I am just going to rip it off like that. Rip this side off. And then it's 3M tape. There's also a clip here, the clip on top of here, and then the clip on here, and then is a 3M tape. So there's a clip here, here, and then here. So this bottom clip here goes into like this mirror cover part of it, and then this top clip go on top of here. Let's see if I can open that door. Probably be best. Alright. Alright, that should do pretty good in there. It's nice and sealed. Press down a little bit, and you can take the plastic off. I'm gonna do the driver's side, or passenger now. Same thing, guys. 3M tape and then the clip. So if you guys never had a window visor before, here's the inside, right? It's actually sprinkling right now. I'm bringing up the window, so that's pretty much that gap. You kind of see it's not even out. So like, say if it's raining, the rain is just gonna go past the window and drip, so you can get some sort of ventilation in the cabin without turning on your fan. Kind of like leaving it like that. But yeah, ooh, that's nice. Yeah guys, that was a quick video of the window visor install. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys later.